two areas in my neck. You've got that little the spinal canal and the cord that floats around in there. And there's two spots where there's no wiggle room in there. So the neurologist told me, he said, you're lucky that you walked out of it. So lucky there wasn't a catastrophe. We're excited.
Hey, what's up, guys? So, just woke up, took a shower. Um, for those who are not wrestling fans, you won't really understand this. Well, for me, as a huge wrestling fan, today's like our Christmas of wrestling, if that makes sense. Because we have a big main event. Big event. It's called WrestleMania. It's like the biggest stage of them all. And wish you guys a good morning, or if you're going to sleep, good night and good afternoon to those who just like in the afternoon or something. But anyways, yeah, the one thing I'm really excited to tell you guys about and to thank you for my last video. Thank you to, even if you're watching this right now, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. And it shocked me. Honestly, it shocked me. Because usually it takes like, for me to get like 2 or 3 views, it takes me like 2 weeks or whatever. So as soon as I uploaded it, within 30 minutes I went downstairs, grabbed a glass of water, came back up, and I had like 2 or 3 views already. I was like flipping out really. I was like, oh my god, already? I got 2 or 3 views. Like, to me, for me starting off YouTube, and for that amount of people just to watching or just take time to click on my videos, that's huge, like so huge. And it's like, it's rewarding for me, huge, and I'm so grateful for it. And that just made my day, honestly. That just made my day. On another note, I saw this video yesterday, which was one of the YouTubers I watch. His name is Casey Knight. I can't say his last name. I'm so sorry. I can't say his last name. But I saw in one of his videos, I think it was titled "The Trick to Women Subscribers" or something like that, along those lines. He said something that really motivated me and stuck in my head. He said that in order to succeed in this, um, in this job or field or whatever, in this lane or in this world of YouTube, you gotta upload every single day, regardless, whatever. You gotta upload every single day. And before that, I wasn't really uploading every single day. I was just like more like uploading every other day, because I want to just put more content out there, and like just better voice, like outside or whatever. But now I'm just gonna upload every single day, even if it's 5 minutes a vlog or 3 minutes, whatever. I guess that's a good thing for you guys. If it's 3 minutes, it gets, you guys really don't know me yet. So I'm just gonna upload a vlog that's like short, so you can. It's like when you go to store, like let's say like a food market, and someone's out there holding like a pan with like samples. You're not gonna buy the whole thing. You're just gonna take it and see if you like it. If you like it, then you come back for more. So that's pretty much what my 3-minute videos, 5 minute vlogs are gonna be like. But that really motivate me, stuck in my head. So thank you, Cassie, if you're watching this,